one guy can go through an obstacle, make it look easy, the next guy goes through the obstacle, can't get through it. And it's all because of the rig, the layout, the wheelbase, all those kind of things. Here we saw wheelbase issues. So we saw my wheelbase being short. I mean, yours was shorter, but you probably just had better throttle control than I did. Hello everybody. We are on an Off-RoadX Rally Club event, the first one of the year here in Rampart Range. And we're kind of in a little lull here. We're in between kind of some of the obstacles and some of the other obstacles, so I figured I'd talk with you guys directly. If you want to come on one of these trips, all you have to do is sign up on the Rally Club Facebook page, and then you'll get the coordinates. Once you have the coordinates for the trip, you show up, you get to enjoy it, you get to have some fun. If you want to hang out and camp with us, you can. If you just want to come for a little bit and then go home, you can. It's whatever is up to you. It's completely free, and we provide you with all kinds of training, development, and all kinds of different things. We're here to answer all your questions, but most importantly, we're out here having a good time, taking care of the wilderness in the best way we know how, which means we're not widening the trails, we leave no trace, we leave it better than we found it. We follow all the mantras for all the U.S. Forest Service, National Park Service, and Bureau of Land Management. And, you know, the goal here is to try to keep these trails open to people for generations to come. So why don't you come out and join us on one of these Off-RoadX Rally Club events by signing up on our Facebook page and engaging with the rest of the community.